Hey you! Got hiccups again? Great! Your body just remembered how to annoy you for no reason. First reaction, you try holding your breath like you're training for deep-sea diving. Doesn't work. Of course not. Here's what actually helps. Take a deep breath, hold it for a few seconds, then slowly breathe out. Or sip cold water, gently, not like a camel. You can also swallow a spoon of sugar. It resets the nerve that's acting up. What you shouldn't do is ask your friend to scare you. This isn't an exorcism. If hiccups last for hours, that's your cue to see a doctor, not a TikTok hack. So next time your body goes hic hic, stay calm. Your diaphragm just pressed the wrong button. Stay calm, stay smart.